What's the meaning of cabriolet? Cabriolet. Cabriolet.
Cabriolet. Cabriolet. A cabriolet is a type of car body style that has a removable roof or a folding top. The term cabriolet originally came from the French word cabriole, which referred to a horse-drawn carriage with a folding top. In modern times, the term is often used interchangeably with convertible. Cabriolets have a sporty and stylish appearance, and they are popular among drivers who enjoy open-air driving experiences. They are often associated with luxury brands and can be expensive to own and maintain. Overall, a cabriolet is a car that offers a unique and enjoyable driving experience.